Alright, so I wanted to show you how to get to the reading pre-assessment. If you have saved It's Learning on your bookmarks bar, you should be able to click on It's Learning and it will log you in. First you'll go home. Then you will find your reading course. I'm going to switch to the student view. In reading, you'll see tasks with no deadline, and your second grade reading pre-assessment is right there. Click on that. You can read this information here that lets you know students must complete this on their own without any help. And when you scroll down, you can click on Start Test. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through and look at the directions and then follow the directions. So step 1, right-click on the text at the bottom of the screen and choose Open Image in New tab.
Scroll down to the reading passage and right-click. Choose Open Image in New tab. You will see the reading passage in a new tab.
Alright, so we're going to scroll down past the instructions, find the reading passage and right-click. If you have a mouse, you will right-click. If you do not have a mouse and you are using the trackpad, a right-click is a double finger tap. So you will tap 2 fingers at the same time to right-click and hit Open New Image. There you will see a new tab with the image of the passage. Okay, step 2.
Scroll to the bottom of the test and click the microphone button that you see circled in red to begin your recording.
Okay. So we'll scroll to the bottom and click microphone.
Once you have pressed the microphone button, you will click Record Audio and click the green record button on the bottom right of the screen. As soon as your recording begins, make sure to click to the tab that you opened with the reading passage on it. You may then begin reading the passage as It's Learning records your voice. Once you are finished reading the passage, click back to the It's Learning tab and stop your recording. Once it saves your audio, you may click Save and it will show up in the answer box below.
Here you have your recording in the answer box.
Once your recording is in the answer box, like the picture below, you may click Complete Test to submit your recording to your teacher.
All right, so let's follow those steps. We've right-clicked the image, we've opened it in a new tab. When we go back to It's Learning, we're going to look for the microphone. Here's the microphone. Click Record Audio. And when we're ready to record, click the green record button. It counts down. And as you talk, you can see it's hearing my voice because the bars are short and long and it is moving forward as it's collecting my voice. That means that I am ready to click over to the next tab and read the passage out loud. For the sake of time and for the sake of a cold read, I will only read the last sentence. But the spider ran away right before she could catch it. So I just finished the last sentence of the paragraph, and I want to go back to the It's Learning tab and stop my recording. It's going to load. Once it loads, I can name my recording. So I'm just going to put my name on my recording. And as it's being uploaded, I like to wait for it to upload so that I can play and hear my recording to double check that my voice was caught on the microphone.
And as you talk, you can see it's hearing my voice because the bars are short and long, and it is moving forward as it's collecting my voice. That means that I am ready to click over to the next tab and read the passage out loud. For the sake of time and for the sake of a cold read, I will only read the last sentence. But the spider ran away right before she could catch it. So I just finished the last sentence of the paragraph, and I want to go back to the It's Learning tab and stop.
Perfect. So I know it caught my voice, and I can hit save. And here it has saved my recording in the answer box. Now that I am finished, I can hit complete test. You will have a pop-up that says you're about to exit the test. That's okay. We have submitted our information. We've clicked complete test. We can click OK to know that we have turned in our voice recording. And you can see now that you are waiting for your assessment. And you can actually click view to view your answer. And you can replay it if you would like to while you wait to see the results of your pre-assessment. Okay? If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your student's teacher in any way that they like for you to contact them, and they will gladly walk you through this process if you need any help with anything else.